A Category 1 hurricane has wind speeds between 74 and 95 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 119 to 153 kilometers per hour, and causes relatively minimal damage, primarily to roofs, gutters, and uproot trees with shallow roots. Category 2 hurricanes have winds between 96 and 110 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 154 to 177 kilometers per hour, often resulting in extensive damage to roofs. Numerous trees will be snapped or uprooted, and widespread power outages that can last for weeks. Category 3, 4, and 5 hurricanes are considered major hurricanes due to their devastating or catastrophic potential. A Category 3 hurricane has wind speeds between 111 and 129 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 178 to 208 kilometers per hour, causing severe structural damage to well-built homes, especially to roofs and siding. Many trees are snapped or uprooted. Power and water outages can last for days or weeks, and coastal areas may experience significant flooding. While Category 4 ranges from 130 to 156 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 209 to 251 kilometers per hour, severely damaging homes, tearing off roofs, and toppling most trees and power poles. Widespread power outages and water shortages can last for weeks or even months, leaving affected areas largely uninhabitable. The most intense, Category 5, features winds exceeding 157 miles per hour, which is equivalent to 252 kilometers per hour or more, capable of destroying entire communities and landscapes. While the phenomenon is the same globally, the name used to describe these storms depends on the region.